Welcome to COSN Educational Services. Today we'll see about CBSE Heritage Quiz 2025. Introduction. The CBSE Heritage India Quiz is organized every year as an inter-school competition. The theme for this year is Heritage Through Vibrant Festivals of India. The quiz is designed to educate students about the need to preserve India's cultural heritage. Schools from across the country are encouraged to take part. The initiative aimed to make students aware of the importance of protecting historical monuments and sites. It fosters appreciation for India's rich history and cultural identity through active engagement and learning. Registration. Registration is done online through the CBSE portal. Schools must log in using their affiliation number to access the registration window. The login password is the same as the one provided by the board for LOC registration. Important note, all CBSE affiliated schools in India and abroad are invited to participate. Schools must ensure seamless broadband internet connectivity in their computer lab on the day of the online test. It is recommended to keep an extra computer with UPS and internet ready for any technical emergencies. Online registration with the fee must be completed on or before 30th September 2025. The registration fee is Rs 1,500 per team and must be paid through the payment gateway in the registration portal. Each school should select 3 students to form a team for the online test. Participation is open to students of classes 9 to 12. Step 1. Online round. The online test will be held October 2025 for 50 minutes with 60 MCQs, and each school will have a team of 3 students from classes 9 to 12. Registered school can access the test portal on the announced date using their LOC credentials. The test must be taken in the school's IT lab. No negative marking will be applied. In case of a tie, the team with the least time will be selected, and the top 6 teams from each cluster will advance to the next round. Stage 2. Cluster round. After stage 1, the top 6 teams from each cluster will qualify for the stage 2 cluster round. The cluster round will be held online in November 2025 on a selected date with each cluster. All 6 teams will complete through video conferencing with details shared by the school's CBSE Siksha email ID. The winning team from each cluster round will advance to the semi-finals in Delhi. Stage 3. Semi-finals and national final. Stage 3. Semi-final and national final will be held tentatively in December 2025 at Delhi. Qualifying teams for the cluster rounds will be divided into 4 groups, and the winner of each group will move to the final. Both the semi-finals and the final of the Heritage India Quiz 2025 will take place in Delhi. The exact date will be announced on www.cbseacademic.nic.in for teams to arrange their travel, lodging and boarding. Domestic airfare for the 3 students and 1 teacher will be reimbursed to semi-finalized teams on submitting ticket and boarding pass copies. Any queries? You can contact Dr. Pragya Verma, Joint Secretary. How to register?